Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
If audio and video are out of sync in MX Player, start with quick fixes. Pause playback and press the audio delay keys to adjust by 100 ms increments. Watch the lips and audio while you change the delay. If that corrects sync, resume normal viewing and save preference if you can. If sync drifts during long videos, try restarting playback to reapply adjustments. These quick steps often fix temporary desynchronization without deeper changes. If quick delay adjustments fail, change the decoder setting to test performance. Open the three-dot menu and choose HW, HW+, or SW decoder, then replay the file. Different decoders handle audio differently and one may correct sync. Also try switching the audio track or reselecting the same track to force a timing reset. For advanced users, enable audio pass-through only if your device and file support it to reduce processing delays. When in-app options do not solve the problem, re-encode or remux the file. Use a free converter to apply a 100 ms audio offset and export a new copy. Remuxing with corrected timestamps often eliminates persistent sync drift across devices. Always update MX Player to the latest version first to get recent performance and decoder improvements. If the issue remains, test the file in a different player to isolate whether the file or app causes the delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.